Hello everyone, good morning to all of you. This is Professor M.S. Koite, Assistant Professor of Department of Agricultural Entomology, Kekewa College of Agriculture, Nashik. In today's lecture, we are going to study the topic that is importance of beneficial insect under the course number N2365, that is management of beneficial insect. Firstly, the definition of beneficial insect. So what is the definition of beneficial insect? These are the beneficial insect are any of a number of a species of insect that perform valued services like pollination and pest control. So this is the definition of beneficial insect. In farming and agriculture, where the goal is to raise selected crops, insects that hinder the production process are classified as a pest, while insects that assist production are considered as a beneficial insect. So this is the difference between pest and beneficial insect. Then encouraging beneficial insect by providing suitable living conditions is a pest control strategy often used in organic farming, organic gardening or integrated pest management. There are many insects found on agriculture land. Those are not threat to the crop production but beneficial to the farmers in a different aspect, such as natural enemies, also the pollinators, productive insect, scavengers, weed killer and soil builder. In present scenario, the motive of the farmers is single-sided to gain only maximum profit, ignoring the impact on the beneficial insect, environment and human health. Insecticide can be important crop production tool to maximize yield, but heavy and indiscriminate use of chemicals also exposes farmers to serious health risks as well as resulted in a negative consequences for the insect. Those are beneficial to the farmers. So these are the effect of a different insecticidal use as well as farmers practices on the beneficial insect. Fields shared by many beneficial insects positively affect the crop yield, so careful decision should be taken to manage the insect pest and awareness among the farmers toward the beneficial insect. So these are the importance of beneficial insect. Then next point is a role of beneficial insect as a first one is a pollinators. So beneficial insect act as a pollinators. Insect pollinators are a flower visiting insect that forage on flowering plants to obtain plant provided food such as a nectar and pollen. So this is the definition of insect pollinators. Then flower visiting insect have the potential to transfer male gametes to the female gametes while foraging and resulting in a pollination. Insect mediated pollination is an essential step in reproduction for the majority of world's flowering plant, including numerous cultivated plant species such as sunflower, cucurbitaceous vegetable. Then alfalfa, coriander, cardamom, gingerly, apple. Many crops depend on pollination for seed production and fruit set to achieve a good yield. Then the Apis mellifera means the European honeybee is responsible for the pollination service in majority of crops. A few non-Apis species are managed for crop pollination. Example of managed non-Apis species include the bumblebees, bombus, impatiens, crescent, managed for the cranberry and greenhouse tomato pollination. So these are the role of beneficial insect as a pollinators. Then example of the pollinating insects are honeybees, solitary species, bumblebees, pollen wasp, ants, flies, including the bee flies. Then also the hoverflies and mosquitoes. Lepidopteran insect, both butterfly and moths and flower beetle. So this is the example of insect pollinator. Then second role of beneficial insect as a natural enemies. Insect predators and parasitoids that attack and feed on other insects, particularly on insect pest of plants, are considered natural enemies. Through this type of feeding, natural enemies contribute to a type of pest regulation referred to as natural biological control. So the example of predator is ladybird beetle, that is Cryptolemus montreuxeri. And the example of parasitoids are the Trichogramma chelonis as well as Trichogramma japonicum, Trichogramma toyidi bacteria. So these are the example of some natural enemies. Then third category or the third role of beneficial insect as a weed killers. So many insects feed upon unwanted weeds just the same manner they do with the cultivated crops. In many cases, the occurrence of this insect has contributed much towards eradication of the weeds. Then the example of weed killers means the bioagents weeds. First example is leaf beetle, that is Octotoma scabripennis, means the leaf mining chrysomelids, which is fed on the Lantana camera. Then second example is common crab, that is Caprimus caprio, means the Chinese crab, which is fed on the weed Neochatina species, that is this is the aquatic weed. Then third example of weed killer is Zygogramma bicolorata, means the Parthenium weed, which is the host of Zygogramma bicolorata, means the Mexican beetle, which is feeds on the Congress grass. Then these are the example of weed killers. Then fourth category are the role of beneficial insect as a soil builders. Insect which live in soil make tunnels, creating channels for smaller organisms, water as well as air and roots to travel through. Then insect improves the soil aeration and earthworm activity can enhance the soil nutrient cycle, such as the soil physical properties like soil texture and till and activity of other beneficial soil organisms. Small dung beetles make the tunnels walls with the dung and also make dung balls that help in maintaining the quality of the soil. Excreta of insect also enrich the soil. The example of soil builders are the beetles and cutworms, larvae of flies, cricket, termites and wasps. So this is the all about soil builders. The soil builders means the insect which live in a soil and make tunnels, creating channels for smaller organisms, also for the water, air and roots. And the example are beetles and cutworms, larvae of flies, crickets, termites and wasps. Thank you.